In this video, I'll show you how to schedule night light in Windows 11. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. At first, click on this, right? Once I have clicked on this, click on the settings. Then from the settings option, you're going to see a whole lot of options, right? Click on the display, right? So before you schedule the night light actually is like a warmer color that helps to block blue light right here on our windows. So if you turn it on, this is how it's going to appear, right? So if you want to schedule the night light, let's say you want to schedule and put a time you would love this to automatically turn on here on your PC, just click on this, right? You're going to see the schedule night lights. Click on this on. Then from here, you're going to adjust the time you want it, right? So I think I currently set it at 7 p.m. So every evening by 7 p.m., our night lights would automatically turn on, right? And by 6:30 a.m. every morning, it will automatically turn off. So before this can work, you should turn on the location services, right, to help this work out real good. So this is how you can schedule night light in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next one.